It's your girl Shara, and I'm not doing the intro because I'm about to get right into the video. As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be playing some more slime, and gonna do with the
do the Benny Whip. Do the Benny Whip for me. Benny Whip. Benny Whip. Benny Whip. Benny Whip. Benny Whip. Benny Whip.
The smell went out of your room. It's only in the pocket a little bit. I said shit or something.
Nah, he gotta come tear that whole wall out.
Yeah, man, he's not coming out. I mean, he's supposed to come later, but not until he ain't coming back.
Because this top.
Oh my gosh.
Don't start smelling it.
I'm gonna try to see if I can restart my phone.
Alright, dude. That was the first slime. This is the second slime. As you can tell by the color now, it was a surprise.
So you got scared. I'm done.
Huh?
You got scared. Hi guys, it's the Pretty Girl Squad. Anyways,
Wow.
don't take this. This is mine. Okay?
What? What?
Forgot to get to me.
It does make.
Anyways, guys, it's me, the Pretty Girl Squad. Back with another video with some of my slime questions. So I got 5.
So yeah, this is what I got.
This milk lunch, what's this called again?
I thought that was ice cream.
Oh yeah, vanilla.
This one was Galaxy.
This was milk, but then my cousin named it for me.
This is blueberry that my cousin named.
Yeah.
I was like, wow, that is a good name.
My cousin named this for me.
Make sure you get all the stuff.
And I might dye this. Say yes in the comment below. I'll do it today, but I'll go a video. But yes
You
or
shouldn't dye it.
yes or no?
The red one,
If my whole family said no, the people that's in my
it has.
house that live for me,
My what was
Does that
this
mean
one
that-
again?
what? Oh, that was your Galaxy one,
No, this one was. Remember you named this Galaxy.
and that one was green like. Cotton candy. Cotton
Yeah,
candy.
you named this one Cotton Candy as well. And plus, by the title Cotton Candy.
So
And it has some blue in it.
this is some of my slime. I only brought 5 of my slime because I have a whole bin packed with slimes in another whole bin.
Yeah,
But
I have
got
five.
a
I have
bin
more slimes, but it's gonna be hard work to take them all out.
yeah, and I don't want to show you guys because I'm not about to like mess up my whole clothes, take my clothes off my slime bin.
This is the
My bin say slime bin.
fourth one.
So
This one is Oreo.
Okay, let's see.
Cause it's white.
Let's see if it pokes.
It has black spots.
Oreo.
But the Oreo is really black.
Whoever's got nails on, they do it like this, guys. Literally, I watched it on YouTube. They be like,
Oh yeah.
that's how they be. They be like,
Look about to get on the side of the stairs.
Shaq, your camera.
You might well
Your camera. What?
Don't forget those outfits.
Yeah, I named this Oreo.
Grandma, is this a pretty color?
Yeah, I look at that white.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's vanilla.
Grandma, this is like white, but it's like
This is
clear. It's like,
okay.
Cotton
like
candy.
clear.
This
It's clear,
is
though.
blueberry. This is Galaxy. And the red one is strawberry. So I really like that
But
one.
mine is strawberry too, though.
No, I thought yours was pink icing. This one is the biggest one ever.
You guys like how the thinner, yeah, it fits in here. And this is fluffy slime made with shaving cream.
Take it out.
Made this with
Whoa, that just slipped right out.
And I only use white glue.
And it's very
I did not
and
use
very
borax
sticky.
or baking
I'm
soda.
in the kitchen.
I
Okay,
just
go
used
ahead.
contact
Well,
solution.
I'm
And contact solution, do you guys
You
know?
know what? I just
Do you
need
kids?
light
Do
once.
you guys know?
love this
Do you? Do you, Chad, you should tell your video
You're
that.
welcome.
Do you kids know that? Contact solution is freaking Madison.
Yeah,
It's out of that big
contact
box.
solution.
In the Madison.
It's medicine.
Y'all said y'all had just ate at school?
Yeah,
Yeah.
me and Mari just ate.
Even
And
Zaya.
Zaya. And Asia.
What time do y'all eat at school?
At 12.
What time y'all use it?
At 12.
Oh, girl, that was hours ago.
Mari, we don't eat at 12.
At 11.
We don't eat at 11.
What time y'all eat at?
Cause recess is at
Oh, we ate early. They don't tell us the time.
Y'all gotta eat around 12 or 11. Cause y'all don't eat around 1.
11. Cause at 12 we go outside.
Y'all go outside after lunch?
yeah.
Yeah, so like 12 or 11.
11.
No, but what it is they about to get them hot tigers. And that's what they ask get. And then every time they get late, they actually want to cry about their hungry. Search around and try to find them. Ain't about to eat no tacos. They don't eat this food. They don't eat it all.
Everybody's really
Like yesterday when Serena put her stuff in that bowl, they thought they was about to open up the other bag of tacos after they just ate some. They knew she was coming, and they know she always coming. That's why I told you, Lord, just come. She said she always walking the door when the door.
I'm just about to go live.
That ain't that dumbass. Mario tried. Then the only thing she better do some work.
I'm about to show you.
I was asking for shit. As soon as they get here, as soon as we get ready to get here, they asking for some shit.
That was a very
That's why y'all never had no snacks.
sacrifice him with them.